Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make good quesadillas. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need fresh tortillas, about 8 inches in diameter, and a good melting cheese blend, perhaps a mix of Monterey Jack and cheddar. A little butter or oil for the pan is also essential. This simple preparation ensures a delicious base for your perfect quesadilla. Now, let's assemble. Place a tortilla on a clean surface. Sprinkle about 1/4 cup of your chosen cheese over 1/2 of the tortilla. If adding other fillings like cooked chicken or sautéed vegetables, place them on top of the cheese, but don't overfill. Then, fold the other half of the tortilla over to create a crescent shape. Time to cook. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Add about 1 teaspoon of butter or a light spray of cooking oil. Carefully place your folded quesadilla into the hot pan. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until it's beautifully golden brown and the cheese inside is completely melted and gooey. Don't rush this step for the best texture. Once cooked, transfer your quesadilla to a cutting board. Let it rest for about 30 seconds. This helps the cheese set slightly. Using a sharp knife, cut it into 2 or 3 wedges. Serve your hot, crispy quesadilla immediately with your favorite toppings, like fresh salsa, creamy guacamole, or a dollop of sour cream. Enjoy your perfect homemade quesadilla.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.